Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On this video, I'm gonna show you the easiest tutorial to put black overlay on CapCut. So here I've already added a video and I'm going to add black overlay on this video. So I'm going to click on overlay and click on add overlay. And in here I've already have black overlay. I'm going to add this ones right here. So as you can see, this is the black overlay, and I'm going to resize it. I'm going to pinch it so it fits into the video format that I've added before. And on the overlay, click on the overlay, you can go to splice, and in here you can just swipe it to the left to adjust the opacity of the overlay. So I'm going to slide it into like 60, and you can see the preview first before you click on a check icon like this. For example, you can see the overlay into it, or you can also choose the other overlay option or splice option. For example, the dodge will be like this, or the slide will be like this, but personally I prefer the normal one and set it to like 60, and then click on the check icon, and here is the result. Okay, so that is how you can put a black overlay on CapCut. So easy, and I think you can follow it right away. So that's it for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in next video. Thank you.